In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace, mercy and blessings of Allah be upon you. Respected viewers, today I am bringing you a very special practice that involves reciting 3 tasbihs. This practice is often called a miraculous act because many people have witnessed its amazing blessings and benefits. This 3-tasbih practice is widely known. Whenever someone faces any difficulty or problem, they quickly perform this 3-tasbih method, and their problems are resolved, their hardships are removed, and their worries disappear. Just 3 minutes after performing it, you begin to see its blessings and wonders unfold. This is because it involves a sacred recitation, including the verse Allahu Samad from Surah Al-Ikhlas. This verse and practice are famous among believers, and there are many different supplications linked to them. However, this particular 3-tasbih method is a special way taught by the pious servants of Allah. If you recite these 3 tasbihs in this specific manner, you immediately receive Allah's help, His support, and glad tidings. Your destiny begins to open up. Whoever recites this verse in this way, reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas, the short chapter of the Quran with just 4 verses, and also repeats Allahu Samad in tasbih, Allah's assistance starts reaching them without delay. Remember, Allah Almighty is the one who helps and supports. He is the friend of the believers. Through this sacred practice, a person is guided to maintain bonds of friendship with fellow Muslims, to support and strengthen the faith, and to care for the needs of Allah's creation. It is one of the signs of Allah's favor that when He befriends someone, He grants them constant goodness, blessings, and the ability to do righteous deeds. So today, my dear friends, this practice is for anyone who truly wants success and wishes to transform their destiny. No matter what state you are in, whether rich or poor, distressed, ill or troubled, make sure to perform this practice. It is not limited to men, women can also do it. This is a practice that strengthens your relationship and connection with Allah. When a person builds a true connection with Allah Almighty, He begins to shower them with His mercy and blessings. Today's practice is very special and highly effective. I am presenting it to you sincerely. It only takes a few minutes and it is done in a single day. Inshallah, as soon as you perform it, Allah will immediately change your destiny and transform your fate. This short verse from Surah Al-Ikhlas holds countless special qualities. If you do this wazifa, inshallah, even your future generations will be blessed with abundance and prosperity. If you want to ensure that your children and future generations live in prosperity, if you want to protect them from hardship, if you wish to remove difficulties, worries and suffering from your life, if you are struggling financially, if you lack wealth and provisions and poverty surrounds you, inshallah, through the blessings of this practice, you will see abundant blessings in your sustenance, your business, your home, and your family. Friends, this small surah carries such immense blessings and wonders that the great pious scholars have spoken about it. They have shared that within just 3 minutes of reciting this practice, you begin to witness its miraculous effects. Perhaps in the past you've tried many different supplications and spiritual practices. But just try this single, simple, one-day act, the practice of reciting 3 tasbihs once, and then see for yourself how Allah's mercy rains down. Many people grow tired and frustrated from repeatedly doing different wazifas and claim that these practices have no power or benefit. I say to you, try this method exactly as I describe it, the way the pious have taught. Inshallah, as soon as you recite it with sincerity, Allah's special grace, mercy, and blessings will begin to descend upon you. Some have even said that by reciting these 3 tasbihs, Allah opens 300 doors of provision for that person. Just imagine, Allah forgives their sins and makes them worthy of paradise. And if they remain mindful of Allah's commands and do not violate the teachings of Shari, then by this practice alone, Allah grants them paradise. My friends, for every hardship, sorrow and difficulty, this special 3-tasbih recitation is so effective that if a person performs it even once in their life, Allah showers them with so many blessings and so much mercy that you cannot even imagine. This is just one short verse from Surah Al-Ikhlas. Allah revealed this surah, and sometimes He places extraordinary power in the smallest things. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, whose meaning is, whoever recites Surah Al-Ikhlas once receives the reward of reciting 1/3 of the entire Quran. So think about it. If reciting it once brings such immense reward, Then what about the one who recites it 3 times a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening? Allah grants them the reward of reciting the whole Quran. Even if you recite it 3 times together in one sitting, Allah still gives you the reward of the full Quran. Today I am sharing with you a practice that takes only a few seconds and requires very little time. But these days, our faith has weakened, our conviction has faded. That is why we fall into despair so easily. When our faith wavers and we lose trust in the Quran, then people see no results. Those whose belief is firm, just by reciting Allahu Samad, see Allah's mercy immediately descend upon them. All obstacles begin to clear away. My friends, this is a very special and time-tested practice I am guiding you toward. Please do not skip this message. Listen carefully, pay attention, and take every word to heart. This practice will bring blessings to your children and secure sustenance for your coming generations as well. This is a short yet exalted and powerful act. The moment you begin it, even before you finish, Allah starts transforming your destiny. Allah increases your sustenance. Allah multiplies your wealth. Surah Al-Ikhlas carries countless blessings and virtues. Allah has placed great power in small deeds. My brothers, reflect on the simple words, La ilaha illallah. These words are so brief, yet it is narrated that if all of creation, the 7 heavens, the 7 earths, every creature, the sun, the moon, the stars, were placed on one side of a scale, and on the other side was a piece of paper with just La ilaha illallah written on it, the side with La ilaha illallah would outweigh everything else. That is the power of these short words, and this practice of reciting Allahu Samad holds a similar power and blessing. Whoever recites it sincerely will, inshallah, see all their sorrows disappear and countless blessings fill their life. When and how to recite it? After us prayer, begin and end by reciting Durud Sharif 11 times. You can do this practice after Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib or Isha, whenever it is convenient for you. If there is a sick person in your home, take a glass of water. Rainwater is the best, as it is a mercy and a cure. If rainwater is not available, use water from your home, a spring or a well. Place the glass of water before you. With respect and devotion, perform this practice. This can be done at home or in the mosque. Women may do it at home, men may do it at home or in the mosque. Performing it after Asr is especially powerful. Many pious elders have experienced that when it is done after Asr and before Maghrib, the effects become visible even while you watch. My friends, this is the time to take action. One of our respected elders said, when you have so little wealth that even your basic needs are unmet, that is poverty. When your heart becomes so greedy that nothing feels enough, that is also poverty. When you have plenty of wealth but it brings no benefit, no comfort, no peace, when all your wealth is consumed in business after business, as if it disappears into dust and bricks, and you, the owner of all that wealth, find only hardship and exhaustion, that too is poverty. Sufficient and free from waste and carelessness. When a person's entire wealth goes into repaying debts, when loans keep piling up, when one is repeatedly humiliated in front of others due to financial issues, when wealth is present but the heart becomes so stingy that even spending a small amount feels painful, when a person can't even fulfill the basic needs of their family due to fear of losing money, then this too is a sign of rizq, sustenance, blockage. There are many hidden reasons behind the scarcity of rizq. Our elders, those blessed and righteous souls, have explained these reasons, and then they presented a beautiful Amal, practice that protects one from every form of financial hardship. By the mercy of Allah, the angelic forces of light, Nurani Malaika, descend with blessings upon those who perform it. So, dear brothers and sisters, what more could you want? Before performing any spiritual practice for rizq, it is important to understand why rizq becomes restricted in the first place. If you truly understand this through even a short video, inshallah, your life will be filled with blessings. One of our respected elders shared this Amal with someone who was in deep distress. This person had inherited ancestral lands that were taken away during colonial rule, yet their expenses remained high and unchanged. They were constantly in debt and deeply troubled. He came to the elder and requested, "Please pray for me or give me a spiritual remedy so this hardship may be removed and I may find abundant provision." The elder gave him a powerful wazifa, and by Allah's grace that very household became wealthy and prosperous. Today, people borrow money from that same person who was once drowned in debt. My dear listeners, this is a deeply blessed Amal. It is a pure solution for every type of difficulty. The more sincerity and attention you give it, the more you will witness its blessings. One man once said to the elder, "My sustenance is tight, and all avenues have closed. I don't know where to go, what to do." So he came seeking guidance. The elder gave him this Amal, and whoever received it was never poor again. Not only did they become wealthy, but even their generations after them were blessed with Rizq. So if you want prosperity for yourself and your family, then perform this Amal exactly as I explain. Step-by-step Amal, practice for Rizq and Barakah. Begin with 11 times Durud Sharif. You may read the one from Salat or any form you know by heart. If you don't know it, take any prayer book or read from the prayer mat where it is written. Children memorize this too, it's common. While doing this Amal, don't talk to anyone, maintain full focus. After Durud, recite Allahu Samad, the divine name, 313 times. This is referred to as the three-tasbih Amal. Before you start, recite Astaghfirullah 7 times with a pure heart. Either say Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhambin wa atubu ilay, or simply repeat Astaghfirullah 7 times. Have a glass of water in front of you. If possible, use rainwater, as it's full of mercy and healing. If rainwater is not available, use water from home, a spring or a mosque. After completing the tasbih, blow du'adam on your hands and gently wipe over your body. Then blow on the water as well. Sprinkle a small amount of that water on the 4 corners of your home, making sure it doesn't fall to the ground. Pour it on the walls only. Let your family members drink the remaining water, or drink it yourself. If someone is ill in the home, give it to them. Inshallah, through the blessings of this act, all blockages, illness and difficulties in your home will be removed. Your home will be filled with wealth, peace and barakah. This Amal is so powerful that if you recite Surah Ikhlas just 3 times daily in your home, you yourself will become wealthy, and even your neighbors will begin to see prosperity due to your presence. Yes, the effect of this Amal is that strong. When should you do this Amal? After any prayer, Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib or Isha. The best time, after Asr prayer, as many pious people experienced rapid results during this time. Do it at home or in a masjid, whichever is easy for you. Footnote, additional notes. This Amal is not limited to a single day. If today isn't possible, do it tomorrow or the day after. Once you do it even once, your heart will desire to do it daily. You can make this a daily habit if you wish. After you finish, make heartfelt dua. O Allah, increase my rizq, be pleased with me, free me and my children from dependence on others. Inshallah, neither you nor your generations will ever face poverty again. Your relatives will wonder what miracle has changed your life. People will begin asking, what secret treasure did he find? His wealth is increasing every day. Yes, when you have wealth, everyone supports you. Even strangers become friends. But when you're poor, even close relatives seem distant. So my brothers and sisters, this is the time to turn to Allah. Through His name Allahu Samad, you will see your life transform. Before you go, like this video if you found it beneficial. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Islamic Wazifapedia, for more Islamic Wazif. In the comments, write one beautiful name of Allah from His 99 names for Barakah in your Rizq. Join our daily Durud Sharif gathering held after Asr prayer, where countless elders make dua. The duas made after sending blessings upon the Prophet ﷺ are never rejected. If you'd like to be included in these special duas, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and write your name and dua request in the comments. We make dua for thousands, even millions, and alhamdulillah many lives have changed. Inshallah your needs will hummin. We make dua for thousands, even millions, and alhamdulillah many lives have changed. Inshallah your needs will also be fulfilled. Just perform this wazifa with full belief and sincerity, and watch Allah open the doors of mercy for you. Jazakallah khair.